So far, we have only been using raw footage, with no effects, no transition, no stickers, and no extra audio tracks. Now it's time to add some visual effects to enhance the video. Let's open the effects panel and explore the effects library. Inside the library effects, you'll find two main categories: video effects and body effects. If your footage contains a person, such as their hands, head, or full body, you can use the body effects collection. These effects are designed to detect human shapes and apply targeted enhancements. However, for this project, we'll focus on video effects instead. Inside the video effects section, you'll see many collections. Feel free to browse based on your needs, and when you find effects you like, simply click the star icon to add it to your favorite for quick access later. Some effects marked with a diamond icon require subscription. Even so, effects can save you hours or even days of work. Sometimes a single effect can make your video stand out and even help it go viral. I've already saved a few useful effects to my favorite to speed up the workflow, and I'll be using them in this project. Before we begin, let's set the track height to small so we can see more of the timeline at once. Great, now we are ready. The first effect we'll apply is called card set. It works perfectly with the narration when it says,
"With so many video editing apps out there."
This effect visually slides through multiple frames, helping represent the idea of many different options. Let's drag the effect onto the clip.
"With so many video editing apps out there."
By default, its animation speed is a bit slow, so let's adjust it. In the effects setting panel, increase the speed to 100. This makes it more dynamic. Each effect has its own adjustable controls, so feel free to experiment.
"With so many video editing apps."
Once the narration reaches the next phrase, we'll trim the effect so it ends at the right moment. Next, we'll apply the Polaroid pack effect. Place it right after the previous effect.
"With so many video editing apps out there."
Trim the end of the effect to keep everything smooth. This effect also includes speed controls, so you can sync it with the narration if needed.
Apps out there. Choosing the editing apps out there. Choosing the right.
The next effect is a little planet. It's especially useful here because it creates a slightly chaotic, distorted look which fits perfectly with the line and say, choosing the right one can be really hard. This effect helps visually communicate the feeling of confusion when trying to pick from so many editing apps. Let's apply it and adjust the setting like size, rotation, and blur. You can even animate the rotation if you want a more dynamic feel.
The right one can be really hard, but
when the narration continues with, but there is one that has everything you need, we want the audience to refocus on the main character. So here we'll add another effect and adjust its speed and glow to support the narration.
But there's one that has everything you need.
After a few small tweaks, it looks good. Let's play it.
But there's one that has everything you need. With so many video editing apps out there, choosing the right one can be really hard. But there's one that has everything you need.
Perfect. We'll stop here for now and continue in the next lesson.